Hello everyone, how are you? And welcome back to our channel. In this channel today, I want to discuss about how to load the repair module on the UltimatePOS. We have a bunch of modules that we have. We have the repair module, we have the HMS module, we have the customer relation management module, and also we have an accounting module that we give to one of our clients who is in Cameroon, and he said that he's gonna give us more details about how he's using that accounting module to his business. So here we have a report module to one of our clients, and this is offline. We are running this thing offline. We are making it on the local host. So to add a repair module, you must be a super user, and we have a video that we discuss of how to make a super user. So I'm going to log in as a super user to the POS. After logging in as a okay, let me log in. Now I log in as a super user. Already I have this one, which is my administrator backup and the modules. Inside modules, I come inside module, then I come here to upload, then I upload the repair module. Then after uploading it, if you face some errors here, it means that you never enable the zip extension on the XAMPP. I think if you know how to enable zip extension, you have to go to PHP in and edit so that it can have it must work that zip so that it can work. Now we have the repair and we can now install it. Now I'm going to install it. Now repair module is successfully installed in our POS, and this is one of our clients who is doing bricks and is doing some mechanical job. So he wanted a repair module so that it can work for giving the job cards and a lot of stuff. And now we are going to repair. If we come here into the repair section, we have to come here to setting. Here on the status, probably if someone brings the machine to his warehouse, we need firstly the first status that we want is to received, and we put a color which is black, and here is the first one. Then we save it. After receive, we need another status of still in progress of checking. Then which is number 2. And we can put a color which is yellow. After receiving a machine, so they want it probably to still in progress of checking. And now we want another status which is checked and invoiced, which we make here. Let us make it much pink here, which is number 4 or number 3. Then we save it here. Now we want to say the another status which is a status for fixed. And this is, we can put it as a status as red, and this is the 4th, and we save. We need also another status which is checked, waiting for parts, which is number 6. Now we can put it as yellow. I love yellow. Now put it as yellow and say so here checked fix is the one. We can edit it and mark this status as complete. This is must be marked as complete. So these are the status. Probably if they receive the machine, before they must put all these status on their job card. So probably they received a machine. The first thing that they have to do is to come here to the job sheets, or also go to the repair here. Here this is the repair, and on the repair they must put the contact of the business. Probably is an individual or is a business. If it's an individual, then we can say individual. What is very important is Mr. Donald, and we also put the number. This is the number of Mr. Donald, and after putting the number of Mr. Donald, then we can save. Are you sure? Okay. Now we can say cancel. Yeah, let us change one of the digits for 0. Then we put, instead of 6, then we put 7. Okay, then we save. Oh, Mr. Donald is now saved, and Mr. Donald bring a device, and here we can't add a device, so we have to come to the job sheet here and add a job sheet. We are creating a job sheet. It's Moketo Logistic, and here on the device, probably Mr. Jones will bring a crane, and we save, and we can write the model number of the crane here, model number J587, then we save. Then here it's a carry in, they bring it inside our repair shop, and here there is no need for this, and here there is no need for this, and now we can save. Serial number, probably it need the RFN26, the number plate of it, L. Then we save. Now this is the layout of the job card. If we received a machine to fix, and we can also come here to job sheets here. Here action, we can also change the status, as soon as if it's fixed. You can see here. This is how to add a job sheet. This is how to add a job sheet. We have some videos about repair module. We are going to set it up so that it can work for our clients, and we are going to set it up so that this repair module can also add advantage to the business. Thank you very much. You can like and subscribe to our channel if you need more information, and if you need more information about POS, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.